Hi, I'm Braidlin McEwen, and today we are going to talk about temperature and pressure ratings. When the pressure rating goes up, the temperature goes down. When the temperature goes up, the pressure rating goes down. This is the main thing to keep in mind when working with temperature and pressure ratings, as it will help with confusion. We created a webinar that was designed to help squash any confusion and help you feel more confident when looking at temperature and pressure ratings. In this video, we will go over the 5 questions that came up and their answers to provide you with a guide that can be quickly accessed. So let's talk about the questions and the answers. So the first question was, your pipe nipples are manufactured from grade B pipe. Are there higher quality grade A pipe nipples available? The difference between grade A and B pipe is not a quality issue, but rather the intended application. The grade B pipe is more popular than other grades as pipe as it is manufactured from steel, which is a higher carbon content resulting in higher tensile strength. Grade B, having higher stress value, is better suited for machining operations. Grade A pipe is another steel and is typically used for special applications. So 2, can I run slightly over the published pressure rating of the valve? The operating pressure should be non-shock and within the limits listed in the pressure temperature chart as found on the product data sheet. The third question, what do you mean when you mention non-shock pressure rating? Non-shock pressure is the maximum pressure that a valve or fitting can be subjected to. If a system's pressure could potentially exceed the non-shock rating due to pressure surges or water hammer, the valve is not suitable and you will need to select a valve or fitting with a pressure rating which is over and above the anticipated pressure. Water hammer can occur when a valve is closed too quickly. Happens most commonly as a quarter turn ball valve on dishwashers and washing machines. Question 4. Malleable fittings rated for 300 psi could be a class 150 fitting. A class 150 fitting is rated for 300 psi as long as the operating temperature does not exceed 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Jobs could be lost due to quoting the more expensive heavy pattern class 300 malleable if the specifications call for malleable fitting rated for 300 psi. The winning tender would have quoted the less expensive class 150 fitting since the operating temperature was less than 150 degrees. If the description is in psi or pounds and does not clearly state the class, one needs to clarify the class to be sure the right fitting is being quoted. So question 5, if the G designation gas in WOG refers only to any non-flammable gaseous fluids, does the O for oil cover petroleum products? The same applies with gas designated, which does not imply a product suitability or third-party approval for use of flammable gases. Similarly, the O designation for all that does not imply a product suitable or third-party approval for use with any petroleum products. With the help of these questions, answers, and webinar, you will have the knowledge to successfully choose the appropriate class fittings required for your job, hopefully saving you a headache and some money. If you ever run into any other issues or questions when working with temperature and pressure ratings, please reach out and we will be happy to help. This video is based off a blog called Frequently Asked Questions, Temperature and Pressure Rating. To view the original blog, head to bochartu.com.